So at Thomas Skinner, we negotiate with our suppliers to get special pricing and extend those discounts to you, our customers. We go to find this special pricing in areas with technology that we see really making a difference in local manufacturing. Every once in a while, this goes so well that we're able to extend those prices with our suppliers thanks to your support. The great news about this is our top supplier from the beginning of the year has been extended one more month. I'm going to post a link to the different videos in the comments below that go over each of these products. Let's have a quick review. Let's go. I've got the flyer loaded behind me. For anyone that's checked it out previously, you already know what's there, and if you thought you missed your chance, the good news is you still have an opportunity. We've got the Spirotech countersinks, the new upgrade from Sandvik Coromant, the 5th axis work holding, the American Threadmills from Allied Engineering, as well as the Garr VRX6, the Techniques Mix and Match 6-packs. I almost forgot, free call-it set. I always get a little bit giddy when I know the discounts have been extended, especially when items are really out there supporting and customers are enjoying what they try. If you have any questions about the products you saw today, feel free to send me a message or call Thomas Skinner directly. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.